Welcome to Singapore, a vibrant hub for work and life. For expatriates, bringing loved ones along is often an essential part of relocating. The Singapore Dependent Pass, or DP, makes this possible by allowing eligible family members to join Employment Pass, or S-Pass holders. Who qualifies for the DP? Spouses and children under 21 years of Employment Pass, or S-Pass holders, are eligible. Applying for a DP is simple. Employers or employment agencies submit the application through Singapore's Ministry of Manpower. Documents required include the sponsor's employment details, family relationship proofs, and valid passports. Once approved, DP holders can live in Singapore and access schools, healthcare, and other essential services. DP holders can also apply for a letter of consent to start business in Singapore under certain conditions. Living in Singapore offers a high quality of life, with safe neighborhoods, great public transport, and plenty of leisure options. It's important to know that the DP is tied to the main employment or S-Pass holder's validity. The Dependence Pass ensures families can stay connected, making Singapore a welcoming home for expatriates.